Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Sorry for not posting for quite some time now. I'm writing exams and I just decided to pop in here and give you guys this wonderful video. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to revamp hair from start to finish. I'm not just going to be washing hair, I'm just showing you how to revamp hair. I'm also going to be teaching you the products you need to have, what are the functions of those products, and also why you need them. I'm going to be going through the functions of those products one by one. You can even start the business off this video, like just watch this video to the end and you become a professional for revamping hair. So guys, if you like and you're interested in what this video is all about, just please subscribe. Let me give you a second. Subscribe and also like this video. Help promote my channel, help promote my video by liking. The YouTube algorithm is going to push this video to other hairstylists like you and other hair entrepreneurs like you. So guys, thank you guys for watching and let's go straight into the video.
Hi guys, welcome back to class. So this is where some people get it wrong, because even after they do their revamping, the hair is still looking stiff and not silky, soft, nourished as it should look. Trust me, the product you are using determines the result you are going to get. This treatment are the main odogu treatment that I don't joke with. They are the one that does the job. And the type of treatment I do, we have different type of treatment. We have keratin treatment, we have protein treatment, we have silicone treatment, which I always use. I have all these three treatments that I use for my wigs, which make them go from bad to good, which nourish the hairs very well. Your hair will be soft, it will be silky, it will take your hair from 0 to 100. Trust me, you will be surprised after adding this product. So in this product, my protein treatment is not included because I was looking for it, I did not see it, but I'll put the picture on this video so you guys can see it. So I do combination of silicone mix and all. So this is my shampoo, like I've explained earlier. I've explained to you and I've posted the different type of shampoo we have that is good that you can use. And this is my keratin treatment milk, which is very good. We have different type of keratin. This treatment will nourish your hair, it will treat your hair, it will make your hair soft, nourish it. And like I said, we have different type of keratin treatment, so you can always go with different keratin treatments. Like in this video, I'm using 2 different keratin treatments, you will see it. And this is my silicone mix. This silicone mix is the #1 odogu in all these treatments. In fact, you can use only this silicone mix for your hair treatment. It will do the job without even applying any other thing. And this silicone treatment is very expensive. So this is what we call keratin hair mask. This keratin hair mask is also a keratin. Like I said, I used to have like 2 keratin in my treatment to just give me a good job. This is hair mask that will protect your hair, because these hairs I'm going to steam them, so it will protect the hair. And we have conditioner. This is macadamia conditioner, and we also have Tresemme conditioner. You will see it here, it's part of the product, but I recommend macadamia conditioner. It is very good. A conditioner will make your hair soft, and you can also use the other conditioner I'm going to be showing you, but this one works perfectly for me. It will make your hair soft. And I also use argan oil. This oil, most people use it for styling. It is not a styling oil. It is written on it, healing oil treatment. This treatment is too heavy, so you cannot use it to style your wig. Not for styling, it is for treatment. It moisturizes, it hydrates your wigs. It hydrates, it moisturizes it properly. So this is hair mayonnaise. We have different type of hair mayonnaise. You can always get any type of hair mayonnaise. And I'm also going to post the different type of hair mayonnaise. And also all this product, I'm going to post their different types that you can get, which nourish your hairs too. And I'm going to be showing you the conditioner. Like I said, if you want to use Tresemme conditioner, definitely you can also use Tresemme conditioner. You can add it to your treatment, but I prefer to use macadamia conditioner. This conditioner, I also have where I use it, which you are going to see it. And this is my mixing bowl. This is where I will put the quantity of the product I want, depending on the quantity of hair I am working with. So now I'm going to start by showing you the shampoo I'm going to use and my detangling brush. I'm going to be needing a detangling brush and a Tresemme shampoo. Like I said, a Tresemme shampoo. So the thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pour my water into a very neat bowl. After doing that, I'm going to come in with my Tresemme shampoo. I'm going to pour some quantity inside the water. So after doing that, I'm going to come in with the wig I want to wash. Please don't forget, when you are washing your wig, just like you detangled it, be careful with the closure and the frontal part. If you don't handle it very well, it can easily tear or the hair will start pulling off. When I'm washing, I'm holding it from the closure part and I am not washing it like clothes. I'm just massaging the wig. Can you see how the dirt is coming out from this wig? With massaging alone, the dirt is going to come out from the wig. Trust me, you don't have to wash your wig like it is a cloth at all. You don't have to do that. By massaging the wig, all the dirt will be coming out. Just take a look at this water. In how many seconds? See how dirty the water is. So it will bring out all the dirt from the wig. And I will also come in with my detangling brush. This brushing I'm doing now, it will also make the dirt on the wig come out very well. The dirt will come out and there will be there will not be anything tangling. My wig will not tangle. It's not going to tangle together. I'm supposed to wash the cap of the wig, but I forgot. But you will see what I'm going to do with the next wig, and I'm also going to come back to wash the cap of the wig. It is very, very important because that's where your client sweat on. They sweat on the wig cap, so which you must wash it very well to make it clean. This is the second wig I'm washing, which was the first wig I detangled. I'm also going in by washing it, and I'm holding the closure part very well. I'm not just applying pressure on the whole wig when I'm washing. I'm making sure before I'm applying pressure to massage the dirt out, I'm holding the closure part firmly because I don't want the lace to tear, and I'm brushing it out with my detangling brush. Then I'll come in with my shampoo on the wig cap. So I'm putting some amount of shampoo on the wig cap and I'm using my hand to also massage it and not squeezing it or anything. With this thing I'm doing, with the way I'm washing it, trust me, all the dirt is going to come out of the wig. See how dirty this water is? So it means the wig is extremely dirty. And don't forget, until the water is clean, that's where you should stop washing the wig. So this is me going on with the washing to make sure the dirt on the wig is out properly. This is me squeezing I'm not just squeezing it like cloth, like I'm just pressing it for the water to come out. So here I'm going back to the wig cap that I skipped when I started the video. I want to make sure I wash this wig cap properly because it would have accumulated sweat or dust or things like that. So you have to make sure you wash it very, very well. And see the name tag, it is still very, very intact. It is still very, very intact. It is not removing because I did the tag properly. It is not removing and it's not going to fade off. So I'm pressing the water out too. So lastly, I'm coming in with my hair bundles and the closure. I'm washing them now. So take a look at how I'm washing them. I'm going to be washing them one after the other. So I'm doing the first one. I'm washing the first one properly. So when washing, I'm also going to be pouring my shampoo on the weft of the bundle, to make all the dirt on the weft comes out properly. It is not on a wig. I'm washing the weft properly. So I'm also going to do the same thing to the 2 bundles you are seeing. So the same process to the 2 bundles you are seeing. I press the water for it to come out. So I'm doing the same thing to the 2 bundles you are seeing. The same process. So this is the closure of the bundle. I'm brushing it out, and I also wash it properly, and I handled it very well. So look at how the water is looking like, very very dirty. So it means the hair is not clean yet. I'm going to come in with another water to do another wash until the water is clean. That's where I would know, okay, so I'm going in to wash the hair for the second time because I want the hair to be very very neat. Before I know that, okay, I will stop washing it. It has to be neat before I stop washing it. So I'm just going through the same thing I've done in the first wash, video. So that's what I'm just going to do again throughout. I come in with my shampoo. I come in with my Tresemme shampoo. After coming in with my Tresemme shampoo, I come in with the first wig and wash it properly. Yeah, I come in with my first wig, holding the frontal part very well, firmly, in such a way that the lace is not going to tear. So I'm washing it, I'm just massaging it so the dirt can come out properly. Then after doing that, can you see? So after that, I'll come in with my detangling brush to brush the wig to avoid tangling, and to make sure the wig is very neat. So I fast forwarded the video so I don't waste your time. So I'm also going to come in with the second wig. I'm doing the same thing, washing the cap, coming in to brush the wig. I don't want to waste your time. That's why I'm fast forwarding the video. I'm just doing the same thing I've done in my first video. I'm just doing it here. So I'm also washing the hair bundle, which is the last one. I'm also washing the hair bundle, you see. Also washing the hair bundle. This is the closure of the hair bundle. So after that, can you see the water that is still dirty? So it means I'm still going to come back to do another washing for the wigs. The water is still dirty, so I'm still going to come back to do another washing for the wig and the hair bundle. See, this is it. See that the water is still dirty, so I'm still coming back to wash it for the 3rd time. Hi guys, so this is me coming back to wash the wigs for the 3rd time, just to make sure it is very neat before I rinse it off. So I'm just doing the same thing I've been doing from the first, second washing. I'm pouring my shampoo into the water, then I'm coming in with my wig, and take a look at the name tag on it. It is still very very intact. It did not remove, it did not fade off, it is still very very intact because of the proper way I added my name tag. So I'm fast forwarding the video also so I don't waste your time, because I'm doing the same thing, washing the hair, the cap, to just make sure the hair is very very neat so I can go in to the rinsing part. And when you do the 3rd washing and you see the hair is still not neat, if you think the water is still not neat enough, which means the hairs are not neat enough, trust me, you are going to come in to wash it for the 4th time, just to make sure the hairs are neat enough, the product build up are not there. So take a look at the 3rd wash, very clean water. I'll be rinsing off the hairs, the wigs and the hair bundles that I've revamped. I'll be rinsing them off because I've washed them thoroughly and they are neat already. So I'm just going to be rinsing them off. After washing, the next step is you have to rinse them off properly. So this is the first wig I'm rinsing off. After rinsing, I brushed it and I pressed out the water on the wig. Then I'll be going in with the second wig, because before you apply products on this wig, they must be wet, they must be damped, so your product can go in easily and you won't have to use too much product. So this is the second wig. I am also rinsing it off after the washing. So I'm using my detangling brush on it to just make sure it is neat. I don't want my hair tangled. So I'm also going in to rinse off the hair bundles and the closure. So this is the hair bundles. This is the first hair bundle. I rinsed it. I rinsed the second one and the third one too. So this is the closure that I just rinsed. Can you see that the water is neat? So it means the hair is clean already.